Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SIvadheaH and I would like to explain about interlanguage pragmatics. Interlanguage is a type of language or linguistics systems used by a second language or a foreign language learner. Interlanguage pragmatics is the study of the way non-native speakers acquire or comprehend a new linguistic patterns. For example, like me, I learn another speech act by learning a second language, like I'm acquiring new systems of linguistics form and learning English. Interlanguage theory is generally credited to Larry Salinker, an American professor who taught applied linguistics and make an article about interlanguage appeared in January 1972. Interlanguage reflects the learner evolving system. They try to learn a new set of rules in another language, and this is a result of a variety process, including the influence of the first language and how it transfers to the new acquired language. Contrastive interference from the target language is important with the new language, and this is and it would be the overgeneralization of both language. It would be a new encounter rules between them. There are a couple of characteristics in interlanguage. The first one is separate transitional linguistic system, and the second is autonomous patterns, and the next one is unconscious, and then the last one is fossilizations. The data should be used in interlanguage study is the first one. It should be spontaneous and it should be unrehearsed speech, and the next one is productions. So the goal of interlanguage pragmatic is not only to analyze learners' ability to acquire a new language, but it is also their ability to determine how the learners acquire the pragmatic systems of the target language, such as producing and comprehending another linguistic forms, like in conversations, in any formal or informal situations. It's in interlanguage pragmatics, for example, like I learn my second language is English within movies, so I need to combine the both from my mother tongue with the second language acquisition. So that's how I learn, and the interlanguage is in the middle, is like a bridge from me not knowing how to understand and comprehend a new linguistic form in another language within my first. I think that's all for interlanguage pragmatics. See you in another video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.